Now everyone read question number 6. Question number 6 is, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A and angle B are equal, angle A equal to angle B. See, in question number 6 what is given? Angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Then we have to prove this angle A and angle B are equal. See, for proving this, you have to know about concept of similar triangles. In class 9th you have read about congruent triangles. What you conclude if two triangles are congruent? Their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. If two triangles are congruent, means they have same shape and same size. That is the definition of congruent triangles. Same shape and same size. And when two triangles becomes congruent, we conclude from there that their corresponding sides will be equal as well as their corresponding angles will be equal. Bicepticity, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. हम लोग लिखते थे. In class 10th you have read about similar triangles. Triangles एक chapter है आपने. You will read about similar triangles in that chapter. When two triangles are similar, when they have same shape, may be different sizes. Listen carefully. When two triangles are congruent, when they have same shape and same size, but in the case of similarity, their shape will be same, size may be different. There are many congruency rules, you know. In the same way, there are many similarity rules. When two triangles become similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Not necessarily they are equal. They are proportional. Okay, I am going to explain like this. See, by an example, ABC and this PQR. Okay, and if these two triangles become similar, that is written as ABC is similar to triangle PQR. First, listen. When two triangles are similar, when their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर कब होंगे? जब उनके corresponding sides proportional हो. आप देखो proportional का मतलब AB के corresponding क्या है? PQ. So AB upon PQ, BC के corresponding QR is equal to BC upon QR. AC के corresponding क्या है? PR is equal to AC upon PR. So इस statement को हम बोलेंगे कि the sides of these two triangles are proportional and their corresponding angles must be equal. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. If in any triangle these two conditions are holds, then that triangles are called similar, and that is the symbol of similarity. And like congruency, there are many similarity rules. Triple S similarity rules. But in this case, triple S similarity rules, congruency में क्या था? If all the three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding sides of other triangle, then triangles are congruent. इस केस में क्या है, when the in the two triangles if their corresponding sides are proportional then triangles are similar. ओके, वहां पे इक्वलिटी थी, यहां पे प्रोपोर्शनलिटी है साइड्स के रिस्पेक्ट में. दूसरा होता है ए ट्रिपल ए सिमिलरिटी. ट्रिपल ए सिमिलरिटी, इफ all the angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle then the triangles are similar. इसी की कॉर्नरी होती है डबल ए सिमिलरिटी. डबल ए सिमिलरिटी बिकॉज अगर एक ट्रायंगल के टू एंगल्स अनदर ट्रायंगल के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू एंगल्स के इक्वल हो जाए तो थर्ड एंगल्स अपने आप इक्वल हो जाते हैं. तो इसी की कॉर्नरी है डबल ए सिमिलरिटी. किसी एक ट्रायंगल के दो एंगल्स को दूसरे ट्रायंगल के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू एंगल्स के इक्वल आप शो कर दो, थर्ड अपने आप ऑब्वियसली इक्वल हो जाएगा, सो ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर हो जाएंगे. एक और होता है यस ए यस सिमिलरिटी. इसमें क्या होता है, एक ट्रायंगल के टू साइड्स अनदर ट्रायंगल के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के प्रोपोर्शनल, मींस जैसे इसमें और इसमें ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू ए सी अपॉन पी आर हो जाए, और इन दोनों साइड के बीच का एंगल इन दोनों साइड के बीच के एंगल के बराबर हो जाए एंड एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल पी हो जाए. तो इसको तब भी ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होंगे और इसको हम बोलते हैं यस ए यस सिमिलरिटी. यस ए यस सिमिलरिटी, टू साइड्स ऑफ वन ट्रायंगल आर प्रोपोर्शनल, टू साइड्स ऑफ द triangles corresponding two sides of the triangles are proportional and angle included between them are equal then triangles are similar. तो ये तो सिमिलरिटी रूल्स की बात हुई, इसके बारे में हम लोग एक्सप्लेन करेंगे जब ट्रायंगल्स में सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स पढ़ेंगे. कंक्लूजन्स क्या निकलते हैं, when two triangles are congruent what we conclude from their corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. But when two triangles are similar, then what we conclude from there? Their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. ये हम conclude करते हैं. दो triangles अगर similar होंगे तो उनके corresponding sides proportional होंगे और corresponding angles equal होंगे. इस concept का use होगा इसमें, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन यहां पूछा जा सकता है बिकॉज सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स जो कॉन्सेप्ट है दैट इज इन क्लास 10 और एंड यू विल रीड अबाउट सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, सो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट थी तो मैंने आपको बता दिया. सो वी वांट टू प्रूव दैट इफ फॉर टू एक्यूट एंगल्स एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी cos A is equal to cos B, then angles will be also equal. So see how can we prove this. See, consider two triangles. This is angle A here and another triangle. This is here B. और कोई भी जो भी नाम आपको देना है AB को छोड़ करके, that is PQ and that is MN. Here cos A is equal to cos B. What is given here? Cos A equal to cos B. We know that cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So for in this triangle, for angle A, what is base? AQ is base. AQ is base. And hypotenuse is AP. That is equal to, in this triangle, this is cos B. Cos B is base, that is BN. BN is base. And hypotenuse BN. Okay? So AQ upon AP is equal to BN upon BM. So from here we can write that AQ upon, transfer this BN to left side, that is by BN. इक्वल टू AP यहां चला जाएगा, AP अपॉन BN. सपोज दैट इज इक्वल टू K. ये लेट कर लीजिए आप. ओके, Then from here suppose this is first, and from here what we have AQ is equal to K into Bn, and also we have AP equal to K into Bm. Okay. Now in these two triangles, in right triangle AQP, by Pythagoras theorem, by PGT, this PQ square will be equal to AP square minus AQ square. Okay, and in right triangle B and M, this is 90 degree here, and that is, in this case, this one is 90 degree. B and M, by PGT we have Mn square is equal to hypotenuse Bm square minus Bn square. Okay, so from here what we have, see, listen carefully, we have to prove angle A is equal to angle B. Now I am going to rub this. See, now consider PQ upon Mn. PQ upon Mn. Clearly PQ will be square root of this one. Square root of AP square minus AQ square upon Mn. Mn will be root of this one, because this is Mn square and we want to find out Mn, so that will be root of this one. Root of Bm square minus Bn square. So that will be equal to, see, here AQ is K times Bn and AP is K times Bn. So replace AQ from here and AP from here. So we have, see, that is equal to root of, see, this one is AP square, everyone look at the whiteboard, AP square, and here AP is what? KBm. So AP square will be K square Bm square. So that will be K square Bm square minus this AQ square. See, AQ is equal to KBn. So AQ square will be K square Bn square. That will be K square Bn square upon, denominator is root Bm square minus Bn square. Okay, I advise you pause the video and note down this very important question for you. So from here what we have, see, we have PQ upon Mn is equal to, listen carefully, you can see in the numerator in both terms K square is common. You can see this is K square is common inside the root. K square is common inside the root. अगर आपको छोटा लग रहा हो तो आप जूम कर दो, जूम करके देखो इसे, K square is common in these two terms in the numerator. तो K square is inside the root. So root K square is equal to K. Means बाहर जब हम K square को निकालेंगे तो वो रूट के बाहर K होकर के है, इनसाइड में रूट K square है, एंड रूट के स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, रूट के स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू के। तो बाहर निकल के आएगा के, इनसाइड में क्या बचेगा, रूट bm स्क्वायर माइनस bn स्क्वायर अपॉन दिस इज रूट bm स्क्वायर माइनस bn स्क्वायर। तो अब देखो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बोथ आर सेम थिंग। सो व्हाट वी हैव pq अपॉन mn is equal to k. So from first, what we have from first we have, see this is aq upon bn, aq upon bn is equal to ap upon bm, ap upon bm, and that is same as equal to k. So and pq upon mn is also k. So what we have that is equal to pq upon mn and r are equal to k. तो हमने यहाँ क्या प्रूफ कर दिया? आई एम गोइंग टू मेक द ट्राइंगल अगेन. I again advise you, pause the video and note down every step of this question. That is very important question. See, हमने क्या प्रूफ कर दिया यहाँ से? I am going to make the figure of triangles again. See this one, that is A P Q, and that is B M N. See, in these two triangles we proved here that AQ upon BN equal to AP upon BM equal to PQ upon MN. Means all sides of these two triangles are proportional. So by triple S similarity, these two triangles will be similar. Means triangle APQ is similar to triangle BMN by triple S similarity. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि if all the three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of another triangle, then triangles are similar. And when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. So by using that, we have angle A is equal to its corresponding. So angle A and angle B are corresponding angles. Clearly from here we have angle A equal to angle B. So that is the proof of this question, question number 6. And that is very important question. Okay? So I hope you all have noted this. Okay? Now question number 7. Actually question number 7 and question number 8 both are of the same type, so I am going to solve question number 8. So and question number 7 will be homework for you. Now question number 8. See, question number 8 is, if 3 cot A equal to 4, then check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A are not. Okay. See, it is given. This one is given, and we want to check that left side and right sides are equal or not. So from here we have cot A. Cot A is 4 upon 3. And by anyhow we have to find out tan A, cos A and sin. tan A, cos A and sin A find out कर लो. लेफ्ट साइड में और राइट साइड में पुट करके देख लो. If both side will become equal, then this is true, and if both side not becomes equal, then that is false. Okay. So now if any one of the 6 trigonometric ratios is given, then we can easily find out others. First example ही आपको मैंने यही बताया था. So in this case cot A is given, so consider a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree. Angle A given है तो angle A को acute आपको रखना पड़ेगा. Clearly cot A, that is base upon hypotenuse. Sorry, base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Okay. So in this case we are talking about this angle, angle A. So base will be adjacent to this angle. So AB will be base and perpendicular is opposite to this angle, that is BC. Okay. So clearly cot A is given 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is equal to AB upon BC. So let AB is 4K and BC is 3K. So AB is 4K and BC is 3K. Now we want to find out AC. Very easy, by using Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC by PGT, AC square is equal to AB square and plus BC square, plus BC square. Clearly AB is 4K, so 4K square and plus BC, that is 3K square. So that will be 16K square and plus 9K square. So from here what we have? We have AC square is equal to 16 plus 9, 25K square. Okay. So from here AC is equal to what? AC is equal to root of this one, that is 5K. Clearly this one is 5K. AC is 5K. Now we want to find out tan A, cos A and sin A. So pause the video and note down up to here, because I am going to rough this portion. So I am going to rub this now. Now find out tan A. देखो सिर्फ अगर tan A find out करना होता, if you want to find out only tan A, so that is the reciprocal of cot A. Tan A and cot A are reciprocal to each other. Clearly tan A can be easily find out by cot A. That is the reciprocal of cot A. Cot A is 4 by 3. Clearly tan A will be 3 by 4. Simple. But we have also find cos A and sin A. Now I am going to find out tan A. So tan A is perpendicular upon base. Here A is this one. So perpendicular is BC upon base AB. So that will be 3K upon 4K. K and K will be cancelled, that is 3 upon 4. So tan A is 3 upon 4. Now find out sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So that is 3K upon 5K. So K and K will be cancelled, that is 3 upon 5. And cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So that will be 4K upon 5K. K and K will be cancelled, that is 4 upon 5. Clearly now we have tan A, sin A and cos A. Now I am going to check that this is true or not. So I am going to rub this. We have to prove, we have to check. See here, 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So put the values. 1 minus value of tan a. Value of tan a is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 square, that is equal to cos a. That is cos a is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 square minus sin a. Sin a is 3 by 5 square. 3 by 5 square. Okay. So now solve left side and right side and see both are equal or not. So what we have from here, that will be 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16, and that is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. Now in the numerator here, LCM will be 16. So 16 on the 16 minus 9, this one, and in the denominator also LCM is 16. That is 16 1 the 16 plus 9, and right side LCM is 25. That is 16 minus 9. So this 16 and this 16 will be cancelled. We have 16 minus 9, that will be 7, and denominator is 16 plus 9, that is 25, equal to 16 minus 9, 7 by 25. Clearly the given 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a, that is true, that is correct for given value of cot a. Okay, so that's enough for today. Homework for you. Listen carefully. Homework. Solve the remaining questions which I have left. Okay, and up to question number 8 I have solved. Up to question number 8 I have solved, and it's your duty to complete this exercise. Okay, there are only 11 questions, so 2 or 3 questions I have left, and 3 more questions are there. So that is homework for you. Next time I will solve few of them. I think question number 9 or 10 and 11. The important one I will solve, and after that we will read about trigonometric ratios of some particular angles. Thank you.